Hello guys, so ngayon ay i-share ko sa inyo kung paano gamitin itong KW Trio. So, it is a puncher where you can punch the card stack, which is my thank you card for my customers for buying and ordering my notebooks. So, like this one. So I already finished my the orders of one of my co-teacher, and I still have the other one. This one, Mellowworks Studio. So I'm gonna finish this. So I'm gonna show you how to use this very powerful puncher to curve this thank you card.
Ito ba yung walang power? Walang power to?
Oh, meron.
Ha?
Meron.
Meron.
So this one, you have to put it inside and then punch it so that you can curve it. Then, like this one. Oh. Oh, this one. Yay! You see? And so you just have to put this one. There you have it, you see? So it is very smooth, the side, so it won't hurt the person who's gonna get or hold this thank you card. So it is very useful. So I just bought this in Shopee, so I'll just put the link below.